Busy business owners, imagine for a second that you only focused on the really important stuff for you and your business. Difficult for some of you, I can imagine. We're pulled from pillar to post. Sometimes it feels like the business is running us, not the other way around. There's demands coming in from all sides, from teams, from suppliers, from customers. I know what it's like. But just imagine that you could focus on just the important stuff. Okay, got that? Now imagine that you can be the best version of yourself. Hyper-focused, really committed, totally dedicated. You at your absolute best. The high energy you achieving those things. Now how much are you going to achieve? Now for busy business owners out there, we've got a session, just 30 minutes. This session is all about giving you some top tips. So take a quick time out to reframe where you are and what you're focused on. Take some tips. More importantly, you'll come away with a couple of actions you can implement in your life to drive your success and support your focus. Join us on Tuesday morning or Thursday at lunchtime. Details below.